I made breakfast for you.
Waad mahadsan tahay awoowe. Canjeero is my favorite. Bismillah. Abababababababay, waruuxu macaan badana. Iskama qaban karaayo Ilaahay amarkiis.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Faduma. And I'm Kinsi. And this is Live with Faduma and Kinsi. Coming to you live from the Somali Museum. We are so glad to have you back, friends. We hope you had an exciting week like we did. Look, I even learned a cool new ball trick. Ouch! Are you okay, Kinsi? All good here. Let's just dive in right into our theme and topic. Before Kinsi hurts herself again, the theme is self-acceptance. What a topic. I wonder how our audience feel about accepting who they are. I will tell you a story about a girl who recently went through the same thing.
What happened, Faduma?
I'm sorry, my hijab got loose.
Maybe you should remove it for the game so you can concentrate better.
I can't do that. My hijab is important to me.
But the game is important too.
What a mean thing to say. Hoya, why is hijab so important anyway? Can I remove it just for the game, at least?
Why do you want to remove it?
Maybe without the hijab, I can fit in better with the rest of the girls.
When I was growing up, I felt the same as you. I also wanted to fit in with other girls. But you know what I realized?
What?
That me and my hijab are not two different things. It's a part of my identity, my culture, and my religion. It makes me who I am, a strong woman who fights against the norms of this world and proudly accepts who she is.
In a land of culturing life, beautiful colors that shine so bright, from the morning sun to starry night, hijab brings joy throughout our lives. Oh, we twirl in pink and blue, hijab so bright, we dance, it's true, sparkling patterns, gold and green. I'm proud to sing, hijab makes our beauty come through.
Rocking my hijab, it's a special part of me. Gives me confidence and beauty. Like my own crown, shining bright and bold. It makes me feel powerful inside out. Exactly. We don't need to change who we are to show how good we can play. Yeah, guys, you are right. My hijab makes me who I am. Do you say abaya? Should we show them how good we can play? Yeah, let's go show them.
Hey, Faduma, I'm sorry that I told you to take off your hijab. That wasn't very kind of me.
That's okay, because I know my hijab makes me beautiful, powerful, and great basketball player. Yeah, check out these moves.
All right.
So you see, I learned that my hijab does not stop me from achieving my dreams. Instead, it makes me who I am.
And it's a proud symbol of our faith. Not to mention, look how cool we are wearing it. Oh no, looks like time is up. But don't worry, we will see you in the next episode of Live with Faduma and Kinsi. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye.